Hey guys, Tom Eckers at MarineMax Pensacola. Really excited to show you brand new Sea Ray 2021 19 SPX Outboard. It is a fantastic boat. I'm excited to be on it. I'm going to show you it quick. I'm going to give you a walkthrough. We're going to start at the back of the boat. It's got a Mercury 150 horsepower engine hanging off the back. Plenty of power for this boat. It's going to move it. You're going to be able to have a family member pulled from a ski or from a tube. You've got Seadek on the back, which is beautiful. Because I've got the outboard engine on this boat, I've got tons of storage under here. I'm not going to lift this up just because if I pull the Bimini up, you're not going to be able to see me. But I got plenty of storage underneath here, so if you've got friends that bring coolers, they bring towels, they bring floaties, everything is going to be able to fit underneath there really nicely. Moving further forward into the boat, Sea Ray's done a fantastic job just adding a built-in cooler right here. It's really nice, built right into the floor, throw ice in it, it's going to be insulated. This bench right here, lots of configurations available. So I can have two seats right here, two people sitting next to each other. I can flip this if I want to and just have one seat for somebody facing forward. Again, Sea Ray's been thinking about little things. You can kind of tell. The helm seat for the 19 SPX, beautifully laid out. I've got gauges right here. I've got a fusion sound system for Bluetooth. I've got courtesy lights for that blue accent lighting that everybody's looking for. Really nice design. I love the windshield. Moving further forward into the boat, Sea Ray does a really good job of opening up this bow. Plenty of seating. This is probably the biggest 19-foot boat on the market, and you can tell there's room up here for two people. They're going to be comfortable. So if you have any questions about this boat, any of the other boats in our inventory, by all means, reach out to me. My name is Tom Eckers, or any of the other sales consultants. We're going to be able to take care of you. Again, we're at MarineMax Pensacola.